Ronco Generators was started in 1973 by my father-in-law, Ron Rogers. Florida is a pretty big state. We're up here in the Panhandle. There's a lot of beach towns. Destin is pretty well known. Because we are on the Gulf Coast, a lot of people are concerned about generators because this area has succumbed to storms and hurricanes.
We typically go from Panama City to Pensacola and then all the way up to Alabama.
Being in the business for 20 plus years, it was time to turn the company over to somebody who I trusted. So when KJ and Brian at Canter started the conversation, I just really got that comfort level that they would take care of our customers, they would take care of the employees, that they would have opportunities, that they would grow the business to be even better. I think a lot of people like to hear themselves talk. Brian asked questions and listened.
They want to see how we operate, how we do things before they start making changes.
I'm excited to see what will come in the future and that Canter will offer our employees that same opportunity within the same Canter family.
We're just a small company right now. We've been kind of letting it grow on its own. The plans that they have, they want to just help us grow our company. We're going to be doing a lot more, so that's kind of exciting.
And we're only getting started.